You searched how to buy shares of Harmony Biosciences Holdings Inc, a biopharmaceutical company developing therapies for neurological and sleep-related disorders that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HRMY. This video is educational and not financial advice. To purchase HRMY, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HRMY to locate the stock listing. Confirm you have selected the Harmony Biosciences Holdings Inc. equity from the NASDAQ listings. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart that shows recent market activity. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. To place an order, tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.